Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 3435 62nd Ave Southwest. What we're looking at there is pretty much right up to the tap of the city main. I've already got camera scope of footage of this, and this is already part of a different proposal that we're writing up for a shared portion of this line with these two neighboring houses. So all this stuff's already been recorded. This is the neighboring shared line here. Where the two neighbors, 3435 and 3439, actually share section of sewer. We're cracked and starting to break right there on that section. And we should be coming up to where the two neighboring houses connect. So that's the connection point. This is where we're going to dig up the line as part of the other proposal. So right here is where we're digging. So coming back from this will be just 3435's portion of the line coming back from here. So what I'm going to do here is get some footages. I'm going to make some tape marks and we'll measure them once we get out of this crawl space. And I'm recording this from the crawl space down here underneath the house. Got no good way to roll the wheel at the same time, so we'll use tape. So this first stretch right here is 6-inch pipe. It's right up to a turn there where it's going back into 4-inch diameter pipe now. So we are going to make our second tape mark measurement there. Short stretch is 6-inch. Now back into 4-inch pipe. So going into 4-inch diameter line now. Sorry, I'm studying the map here. Let me pause the recording for a minute. Now coming back into the 4-inch section now. I've got my tape mark so I can measure distance once we get out of here. So this is the Y that connects the kitchen sink line, maybe the laundry line, and a couple of the downspouts. So we're going to go outside and locate this spot here. Pausing the video while I go locate. Okay, resuming the recording. Found that spot out in the yard. Get my map pulled back up here for reference. Alright. Ready to keep coming back now. Okay, this is the other wire where we turn and we start coming back up towards the foundation. So I'm going to locate this as well, pausing the recording one more time. Okay, resuming the recording again there, and we're coming back towards the foundation now. And there is the cast iron to concrete transition. That's going to be my final tape mark. Okay, we'll finish the recording real quick here. You're coming back towards the clean out. The cast iron looks good. We generally don't touch that during these repair projects. So there's the clean out. I'm going to end the recording. I'm going to get one final locate out there, but I'm going to end that one there.